up the attack on the centre while asking that why is the Prime Minister endorsing Anurag Thakur's speech instead of condemning it?
It's unfortunate. It was a crude and unbecoming comment, and it's unfortunate that the Prime Minister is endorsing that instead of condemning it. Is Mr. Anurag Thakur conducting the caste census on the floor of the House? The caste census is a sociological data gathering which has to be done in a scientific manner. Is Mr. Anurag Thakur doing that from across the aisle in the House by calling out and asking people which sociological group they belong to? Is this the way they want to do it? This government has absolutely no understanding of the data gathering.
Well, that is Karthi Chidambaram there as far as raising the issue of Anurag Thakur's speech and criticizing it, saying that why is there direct endorsement coming in from the Prime Minister instead of condemning the speech that has been made by the BJP leader, calling it as a crude behavior which has no place in our public discourse, and the Prime Minister is endorsing instead of condemning it. As far as when it comes to Anurag Thakur, why is that the party doesn't have any idea when it comes to gathering more data? Such has been the allegations and the charges that have been leveled on part of the Congress party as well. On the other hand, which is also mulling, moving a privilege motion against Anurag Thakur. However, the reactions that are coming in are not just from the Congress party alone, even when it comes to the India bloc, the alliance, which is also raising the question and a demand for conducting a nationwide caste census. Such has been as far as the demand that is now concerned.